Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue our author study on Mo Willems. Last week, we started our author study with Mo Willems, and we focused on one character in all the books we read. Who remembers what character that was? He didn't want to drive a bus. They didn't want him to stay up late. Yeah, the pigeon. So we focused on the pigeon last week. So this week we're going to focus on Kunffle Bunny. And these are all written by Mo Willems. So let's get started. Kunffle Bunny, a cautionary tale by Mo Willems. Not so long ago, before she could even speak words, Trixie went on an errand with her daddy. Trixie and her daddy went down the block. All right, so let's see who remembers something about Mo Willems. Does anybody know why he named this character Trixie? The first day we did Mo Willems and the second day we did Mo Willems, we spoke about his life. Does anybody remember why he would name his character Trixie? Yep, you got it. Trixie is actually the name of his daughter. So he used his daughter's name in his book. Through the park, past the school, and into the laundromat. Trixie helped her daddy put the laundry into the machine. She looks like she's a good helper. She even got to put the money into the machine. Then they left. But a block or so later, Trixie realized something. And take a look at that face. What do you think Trixie realized? Make a prediction. I think that Trixie... What do you think? Let's see. Trixie turned to her daddy and said, "Aggle flaggle clablabble." "That's right," replied her daddy. "We're going home." "Aggle flaggle clabble," said Trixie again. "Blaggle plabble wumpy flappy snurp." "Now please don't get fussy," said her daddy. Well, she had no choice. Trixie bawled. Wah! She went boneless. She did everything she could to show how unhappy she was. By the time they got home, her daddy was unhappy too. As soon as Trixie's mommy opened the door, she asked, "Where's Kunffle Bunny?" So was your prediction correct? Did you predict that Trixie was sad because she lost her Kunffle Bunny? The whole family ran down the block. And they ran through the park. They zoomed past the school and into the laundromat. Trixie's daddy looked for Kunffle Bunny and looked and looked and looked. But Kunffle Bunny was nowhere to be found. So Trixie's daddy decided to look harder until Kunffle Bunny! And those were the first words Trixie ever said. All right, boys and girls, so your job today is you're going to write your book review again. So I already put in the author for you, Mo Willems, the title, Kunffle Bunny. I rated my book how many stars? 1 if you did not like it, and 5 if you liked it. And you can color in however many you think. I liked this book because. Then you're going to write why you liked it. And you can write whatever your reason is. Maybe you like because Trixie is funny. Maybe you like the story because you like babies. Or maybe you like the story because you have a text to self connection, which means you can relate to something in the story. Something in the story is like something in your own life. So maybe you have a special stuffed animal that you might have lost. So it was great story to you because you can relate to it. You know exactly how Trixie was feeling when she lost it. And then if someone wanted to read the book, I would tell them. And why would you tell them to read it? Then your next slide is going to be, what is something that's special to you? So I want you to think. What might be something that's special to you? So I made a list of some of the things that you might think are special to you. So I have stuffed animals, a teddy bear, Legos, a watch, superheroes, a necklace, a doll, or books. So you can pick any of these, or you can pick something else that's special to you. So now I'm going to go back to my writing. So what is something that is special to you? So then I'm going to write something that is special to me is a necklace that I got from my mom. It is a heart. It is silver. Make this a little bit bigger.
Mama, look what's special to me.
It is silver. It has diamonds on it. My mom gave it to me for my birthday. It is the best present I ever got. And that shouldn't be a capital because we don't need capitals in the middle of a sentence. The best thing I ever got. And then you can decide if you have space at the bottom, you can either draw a picture of what your special item is, or you can take a picture and send it to us. Or you can try and draw a picture of what was special to you. All right, so this is my picture. I have a circle as the necklace. It has a heart on it. And this came out blue, but I would have put a different color if I could, but I couldn't. So there's my special necklace. So now your job today is going to write about something that's special to you after you listen to the story and write your book review. And I'll put in a blank box over here so you can draw your picture. If you have any questions, you can message us on Dojo, you can message us in the classroom, or you could text us. I look forward to seeing all your work. Have a great day.